the NexiGo Air T2. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we will look at an ultra-thin, true wireless earbuds, the Air T2 by NexiGo. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside, it comes with the user manual and Type-C charging cable. The earbuds feature 7 hours of listening time, 28 hours with the case. Uses Bluetooth 5.2 and the Qualcomm 3040 chipset, AAC, SBC, aptX codec, and CVC 8.0 for noise reduction. Touch controls, USB-C for charging, and it's IPX5 water resistant. It also comes in 4 colors: black, silver, brown, and rose gold. Taking a look at the case, you can see the slim, compact profile. It kind of reminds me of a USB thumb drive. It has a smooth semi-gloss finish all around with the branding on top of the lid. And you'll also find the status LEDs. On the bottom, you have the USB-C charge port. The lid is magnetic and it opens and closes smoothly. The earbuds are exposed on the top of the lid. They're easy to grip and remove from the case, and you have the ear indicators etched in. The earbuds have a semi-in-ear design with a slim stem. Ear markings are on the inside face. The outer face has the branding along with the chrome accenting, and you have the surface for the touch control. Each of the earbuds have LEDs, touch control, charging contacts, and microphone. Here they are side by side. Touch controls are straightforward, a few taps to navigate playback and calls. The case comes in at 3.3 by 1.3 by 0.5 inches. It weighs in at 29 grams and the earbuds come in at 6 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It is not a full representation of the overall sounds, as there is no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
How did we end up here in the corner looking like enemies? We used to be the team people talk about, what a chemistry. I can see it in your eyes. You don't wanna talk anymore. I wanna get so numb while we enemies.
Okay, sorry is a sorry does. She just wanna cut up in the car, I told her start it up. I don't wanna see it from your eyes unless it's Cartier. Ran into my old chick, she said you ain't playing fair. Playing fair, playing fair. No, I ain't playing fair. Playing fair, playing fair. No, I ain't playing fair. Asked her why she staying there, she said she don't know. I had to ask some more, but I really had to go and get my bop on. Yeah, I get my bop on. If she needs some good, tell her she.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the NexiGo Air T2 microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone came in loud and clear during calls, and other parties had no issues hearing me. The pairing process was instant, and when testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the earbuds. They were extremely comfortable and light. You don't feel pressure in your ear canals due to the semi-in-ear design. At times you forget you even have them on. They can be worn for extended periods of time with no issues. Build and quality is solid. Definitely a unique design with the ultra slim profile. Case and earbuds feel durable. The touch controls responded well and weren't overly sensitive. Battery life is respectable at 7 hours and 28 hours with the case. Now when it comes to sound, starting off with the bass, it does have its presence, but it's not the heavy, tight bass. I feel these have more of a brighter sound signature, and mids and highs come in clean and clear. Vocals and instruments do stand out. Overall, the sounds are decent for a semi-in-ear design. I think these would really appeal to those that are looking for portability without sacrificing sounds. So that is my review of the NexiGo Air T2 True Wireless Earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.